Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the close eye prank video on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this effect closes the eyes of the person you're recording. A great video idea would be to prank someone using this filter while you're guessing the numbers which they show behind you. Since they're looking at the screen, they think your eyes are closed, but sneakily you have your eyes open. So let me show you how to find this and how to create this video. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on search here at the top right. Now you want to search for close eyes. Now this is what you're looking for. You're looking for the close eye effect, which is right here. And it looks like this. So go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll basically see all the videos that have used that effect. For those of you who cannot see this close eyes effect on TikTok search, no worries. You can just go back to the TikTok page. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here. Then you want to tap on effects. And then you want to tap on search. And here you want to search for close eyes. And within the search results, you'll see it right here, the second one. Go ahead and tap on it. And now as you can see, it has taken effect and my eyes are closed. So if I put my hands over my eyes, you'll see my eyes slightly open, but it's basically an effect that closes your eyes. So now go ahead and play a prank on someone. They'll think your eyes are closed, but actually they're open. And that is how to create the close eyes prank video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.